about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Oh wow, amazing. Yum yum Japan.
Quite like okona no kanji.
It's a very mature
Soda
taste.
uses soda. The beer is from quite a famous Danish craft beer maker called Mikkeller. So this is a hazy IPA made with
hazy
Riesling
IPA.
juice.
Wow.
So you feel that really juicy, fresh, really fun kind of Riesling acidity as well. すごい夏らしいローゼです。Yeah, really
A
delicious.
summery rosé. Tastes like strawberries.
Yeah, really nice acidity, really kind of fresh fun. これブゴンのちょっと有名なブドウなんですけど、大体ブレンドで使ってまあ100%アレゴではまあやっぱりちょっと
Tastes like sea breeze. Refreshing.
Citrus, yeah, fresh, clean, really refreshing. すっきりですね、yeah. Or a Sauvignon Blanc from Loire, kind of soft, round, kind of smooth mouthfeel, and a really lovely herbal fragrance as well.
First,
A beer, great,
Yes.
sounds good.
Hi, サボイの近くです。Thank you.
This place is full of atmosphere like a foreign country.
メニューはどう頼めばいいですか？
The atmosphere of this restaurant has made me very happy as I don't get to go abroad very often this year.
そう。But we also have, of course, these are the high bar prices, and the portions are a little bit larger, and kind of made for sharing with a couple of people. Are really popular. Most people, so I'd say, 80% of people on the course menu. So for 7,000 yen, we'll go from the top to the bottom. You can try this bit of everything. Or for 6,000 yen, we'll go through the course. You can choose between the fish or the pork. Okay, perfect. And I'll just explain everything to you. I'm sure Katie would love to explain everything to you. She doesn't want to, I will.
Yeah, please, you're doing a great job. You're really doing a great job.
Okay. So the focus of the restaurant is taking organic vegetables from small farms around Japan. We just order a recommend box and decide the menu after the vegetables have arrived. So this week we're using beautiful vegetables from Kochi Ken.
Oh!
Yeah, so both these arrived from Kochi today. And we open the box, we see what looks good, Katie sees what looks good, and decide the menu from there. So tonight we have this summer squash salad, so zucchini, these are actually corn beans. And some zucchini in there, with house-made ricotta, and silvetta, so a really nice peppery leaf, like rucola.
Today, under the wonderful atmosphere of this restaurant, I'd like to share a few of my thoughts with you. I love Japan, but I also love meeting people from all over the world. Right now, my menu is available in Japan, USA, and Taiwan, but I hope to bring my menu to your country one day.
Chikase no focaccia 食べますか？
I'm so happy to be able to share my recipe videos and recommended restaurants with you on my YouTube channel and to have your comments. I'm glad that I started YouTube to be able to connect with you all in this way. Thank you again.
That dish we have on the menu all the time with lentils and avocado and a shibazuke yogurt. So I can kind of attach the shibazuke to something else in it.
It's very
The fish this evening is salmon, really beautiful salmon with eggplant, fennel,
That's for me.
sweet corn. And then there's a few other greens that are going on this pork dish. So if you, I can sort of reformat something else to go in there. Dessert, I don't have really much to offer.
Just pork.
To be honest.
It's not kosher, but I just
But you eat like shrimp?
or I have I'm sensitive to shrimps.
What?
Sensitive to shrimps. I had
Lobster, seafood?
I like plain. No, I eat like some kind of dairy and meat. But I don't eat dairy in general.
Well, dairy is not kosher.
No, you can mix dairy.
I go for the salmon, and then I go with you for whatever you choose for the something as you.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I'll maybe the avocado stuff you share.
Why you want to share?
No.
Wow.
No, I'll do something as you, but I don't share.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So normally we can do a course menu where you try a little bit of everything and one where you can choose.
After that, avocado with shibazuke yogurt, French lentils. Shibazuke or
Shibazuke is one of the most famous pickles in Japan. The color of shibazuke comes from red shiso, which is a natural color.
Coming from akamiso from the skin. On top of that, patchy as well, if you like it. Really good. Yeah, okay.
Are you hungry? If you look up there and you tell me what looks good to you. I can't remember what you ate last time. Those were pretty awesome. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You don't give her?
Right, you guys from Paris? Is that right?
In Versailles, we go to the
So big. No, that's not like I
Did you see it? Did you see it?
Third, creamy cashew sauce. Raw cashew nuts, garlic, lemon, a little bit of salt. A really kind of rich, luxurious sauce with all that richness just coming from those cashew nuts. Tonight served with roast radish and turnip, and possibly some turnip greens as well. I guess that.
We have some kind of. That's why you two would get along, like energy thingy and stuff. You know?
Met her a few times, and like, cause she friends with
Oh, yeah, that's really wow. Because I used to live in the Casa Garden. I finally moved into my house. I like my soil after that. To my voice. And so yeah. So I didn't know what to do, and honestly, I couldn't do it. Good place. Good place. I love it so much on that.
Thank you.
No, I mean,
dish tonight is salmon with eggplant, fennel, and sweet corn. Feeling really starting to feel really summery.
But you know, good meat you go that for a year. I mean, you don't spend 100,000 in a month. You should grow your own veggies.
Thank you. Thank you.
We like a clean plate. Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't.
No, we do that in the plate. I don't say to my kids, no, you don't leave that in the plate. Okay.
Pork is from a small farm just outside Kagoshima, Fukudomi Kobokujo. A roast pork shoulder, the cover also this. Tonight the Shadow Queen is really pretty purple potatoes. You might be able to see one there. So you can see, yeah, lovely colour and also a really good texture, a really good flavour as well. So not just pretty. Morning Glory, cuisine and green pepper, hima. This
It's only working out.
This Monday we came to, we went to, there's a friend who owns
I mean, they keep without recognizing each other. And then she was married to a French guy with a kid and everything. And then after a while, I was like, yeah, hang on, are you the friend of Nico, sister of the Japanese company? Anyway, this girl is she's full of good intentions. She's a good person. Alright.
No. Not saying no. Just saying.
You know, I've been living with her for we were together for about 2.5 years, living together for 'cause so we had we posted it was like 2 days, but when they spent time together, it's my hand and my mother and it's his daughter. So they all do
coconut cake with vanilla bean custard. You get to try. We'll walk you through. You get to try this. Go back.
Thank you.
I was still hoping at some point that you know, the other thing was to move into the house. But you know, rather and yeah, like you know, I've been waiting for this. Otherwise,
Where from? California.
That's right.
Oh,
Yeah.
your husband say?
No, we were just. He's from England.
Why? Japan?
I don't know. I really am happy to live here.
Thank you.
you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.